Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to done this basic 4 language, basic 4 challenge. So here we have so in the previous videos we have completed this much of our basic 1, basic 2 and basic 3. So here it is. An email, let's open this. So an email script has been set up which sends the password to the administrator. Here we have Now this time Sam hard-coded the password into the script. However, the password is long and complex and Sam is often forgetful. So he forgets. So he wrote a script that would email his password to him automatically in case he forgot. So then the system will send the password to his email. So we don't know the email. So let's simply go to our page view page source. Or go to this inspect element to see the source code simultaneously. So here we have our basic index form action, and then this. So we have to go over this. So under the form tag, so here we have mission basic 4. So here we have input type hidden name to value, and this is the email address we have found this. So just double click and select this part and then edit over here. So instead of this, write your email address, your own email address. So I'm gonna type my so not done. Now select it. So after this, then enter send password to Sam. So here we have a password reminder successfully was sent to this. So it's intercepted and it's sent to myself. So here we have our reminder on Gmail. So let's go, and then we have here is a password. So the password we will got over here. So just copy from here and simply just go back and then paste on that form. So here we have, just paste over here and then submit. So here we have error, I don't know why. So just reload it over here and you can see it's congratulations, you have successfully completed basic 4 challenge. So in the next video I will show you how to do the basic 5 challenge. So guys, please like this video if you found this video helpful, and then stay tuned for our channel. This is Ahmad signing off.